production.
Link Composites has been operating for last 2 decades. We work in the space of composite materials. Our dedicated, passionate team works closely with the customers. We believe that growth has to be mutual. We partner with our suppliers to bring the latest technologies to India.
Not only sourcing quality raw materials from trusted sources can be very difficult, getting it delivered at your factory's doorstep as well as adapting to new technology can hinder business growth. That's when we linked innovation and trust to help companies source composite raw materials, fiberglass and its specialty products for diverse industrial applications, and help businesses receive proper technical training to learn and adapt new products instantly. We help you accelerate your business by providing a holistic approach, from sourcing state-of-the-art quality raw materials to comprehensive technical consultation and training, helping you benefit from our experience and expertise. This formidable combination of products and services with deep knowledge of the industry makes Link Composites the company you can depend upon. Link Composites is India's leading premier source for glass reinforcement of various types, polyester and epoxy resins, Gurit core materials, Lantor core, axial mold release agents, specialty reinforcement. With 10 locations across India, we work with renowned manufacturers in Europe, USA, China and India to deliver cutting-edge products and training solutions to our business partners. Link Composites has an LLP model with local partners in Karnataka and Delhi that help us serve our business partners with a more efficient and better supply range all over India. We are shortly expanding our presence in South India.
The founding pillars of our company has always been trust, and we believe that the future is composites and Link is the company to depend upon.
Trustworthiness is a fundamental concept at Link Composites. Our people cultivate strong relationships and bonds with our business partners, ensuring reliability and customer fulfillment. Every team member is passionate and dedicated to helping our business partners because at Link Composites, empathy is not an option, but engraved in our core value. This transparency and accessibility make Link Composite a natural choice for SMEs, MSMEs and even large-scale industries without a blink.
Link Composites has dedicated sister concerns for focused efforts on manufacturing, warehousing and distribution, and we bring the latest of the composites world to India.
Any organization becomes great with its people, and we are having great people. I am proud to be a part of Link Composites.
Link Composite is a part of my family.
Link Composites, the company you can depend upon. Link is one of the largest distribution companies in India, the most trusted company and dependable team offering best-in-class products with the lowest pricing. Just-in-time supply through our networks of warehouses saves cost for our customers. Let us work together as a winning team for mutual growth. Let us get stronger together.